How can you do your exercise more effectively at less time? If you don't know what is cardio fitness and what does moderate intensity exercise do? Then find it in description. Public health agencies and WHO advocate 150 minutes of weekly moderate intensity aerobic physical activities promote good health and live longer. Which means 3 times per week and 50 minutes for each. Can we get same health benefits at less time? The answer is yes. It's called high-intensity interval training or HIIT, which is proposed by researcher Izumi Tabata. It's been in use by elite athletes for more than 100 years. HIIT that we going to do is 1-minute workout at amount to just 3 hard sprints of 20 seconds each and 3 times per week. 1-minute exercises like any kind hard sprints or hard pedaling or any type of exercise which exhausted you within 20 seconds. High-intensity interval training provides same health benefits as 150-minute moderate-intensity exercise per week. It was possible for everyday non-athletic sedentary individual to derive the cardiorespiratory benefits of exercise guidelines, 150 minutes per week, just a single minute worth of hard exercise performed 3 times per week. Follow-up video going to show how does HIIT really works? Keep connected to this channel for more exercise hacks.